How to schedule breaks on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to schedule breaks on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so like a lot of us, many people have got a bit of an addiction to social media and TikTok in particular. So if you want to force yourself to take some breaks every 30 or 60 minutes or so, I'm going to show you an easy way to do this through the TikTok app. So first, of course, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile. Once you're in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once here, scroll down until you get to the option under Content and Activity that's called Screen Time. So tap on that option. And here, as you can see, you can set screen time breaks, daily screen time limits, or weekly screen time updates to stay updated on your time from your app inbox. So I'm just going to tap on screen time breaks. And then here you can set it to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or put in a custom time. So if you want to schedule a break, it will remind you to take a break from the app after a period of uninterrupted screen time. So just set it for 30 minutes or whatever the duration is that you'd like to take a break. And that's all it takes to schedule breaks on the TikTok app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.